Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by taking the snip now. Open Snipping Tool, pick a mode and capture the area you need. Once done, click Save and choose PNG or JPG so details remain sharp when converted. Make sure to choose an obvious file name and a folder you can find later. This avoids hunting for the image when converting. Saving first also lets you re-edit or recrop. That flexibility prevents repeated captures and saves time when you move on to create the PDF. Now convert the saved image into a PDF. Right-click the file and choose Print, or open it in Photos and select Print from the menu. In the printer drop-down, pick Microsoft Print to PDF. This virtual printer creates a PDF file instead of paper. Make sure orientation and fit settings match the content, and set paper size to A4 or letter as needed. If you have several snips, either set multiple images per page in the print dialog, or import them into Word or PowerPoint. Finish by naming the PDF and choosing a folder you will remember, then click Save to create the file. After saving, open the PDF to verify image quality, orientation, and that margins didn't crop important content. Resizing or reprinting fixes most issues. If Microsoft Print to PDF is missing, go to Windows Features and enable it or install a reputable PDF printer. Alternatively, import images into Word and use Export to PDF. One key troubleshooting tip: enable high-quality printing if images look blurry, then reprint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.